Ooh. Hi everyone. He, are you AI? I am. So I'm just gonna go here to show off the finished look that I made earlier because I'm on live earlier on TikTok. So if you guys are watching me on TikTok earlier, so this is the finished look. Hindi na siya FB10. Who is this diva? This is my new tattoo, by the way. Ah, the good identification is real. So I'm just waiting for my look to arrive. Mag-BJ Pascual na po ba ako? Kasi dapat 5 sila dadating. 6:49 na po. Sabi ko po 5 sila po dumating. Para masuot ko siya. Kasi 7 po magsa-start yung photoshoot. Avatar Yang Chen, but nullification.